One of my videos uploaded, and while it was uploading, I got this box. So let's see what's inside of it. Open it up. Oh, some stuff. I paid for this, so yeah. Oh, a cup. What's inside? Let's see. Ew! Oh, that's gross. And this very pretty violet pen. Wow, that's so pretty. I'm gonna get this for me to go on. So I'll get to film easier. Maybe you can see it. Okay, there we go. A toothbrush. It's violet. Who would need a toothbrush? Don't know who used it before. 2 markers. I write this one to make sure it works. So yeah. I'm gonna show that in the back. Ooh, this is a camera. This is the camera. It's not real, it's just a toy. Hopefully you can see it, but no. Oh, see it? And if you, in real life, if you keep peeking this part, you'll see Mr. Bean. I can't see Mr. Bean, but it's a sharpener. See that? It's a sharpener. And another thing. Oh, a pretty necklace. Maybe this is for a leash or something. A notebook. Oh, some stuff are written. Maybe it has some secrets. Oh, it's SpongeBob. Oh, that's Aaron. She's really good. And lastly, a paper. Let's see what's inside. Look it. It has this cute stickers. It says open. It has 2 letters. This one says letter. And the other one says the stuffs. So let's read the stuffs first. So I'll make sure what's about the papers and just used pen. It says here, camera, cup. I think that looks like this cup. And sorry. This is the baby electric button. It says there. And notebook. What's this one? A bear. A bear and the necklace. Know that. And SpongeBob is the bear. And the violet one says pen I used to write this. Also that place where was it used ink. So let's see the letter. I'm sure it's still showing me. It says here, thank you for buying my box. Hopefully you like it. Please enjoy every piece of it. The spelling of piece is wrong. And it says she does that right well. I think this is somebody else that says this. See, they're not the same. So I would say this is not the greatest box, but this is what I said yes to. I like SpongeBob toy. Work for my baby alive. The thing that I hated, this toothbrush. I don't know where she gave me toothbrush, but that's fine. So yeah. cute trick. That was me. I didn't buy that. That was me. I got it already last night. So, and this is, she doesn't have a Weenie Love store. I just got a shoe from this container. And this is the container. I just ate it. And this was my paper. This was my writing. I made it look ugly. And also the markers were mine. The necklace. This. And even this. That's why I already know that you can see Mr. Bean in here. I wish you could see him. See if I spin this, something moves, and that is Mr. Bean. This used to have like something in it, but I broke it. You know how the camera has that. So yeah. Bye guys. I hope I tricked you. Bye.